Ever found yourself staring at your phone, needing to get in touch with a company, but just couldn't find a direct line? You've scrolled through FAQs, clicked every Contact Us link, only to be met with email forms and chatbots. It's a common frustration, right? Especially when you have a pressing issue and just want to speak to a human. This is particularly true for digital-first services like Neon. Whether you're dealing with a financial platform like Neon Fundraise or a streaming service like Neon TV, the immediate go-to is often their online support. But what if that's not cutting it? What if you need something more immediate, more personal, than an email response or a bot's pre-programmed answers? You're looking for that magic sequence of digits, a phone number for Neon support. The truth is, Neon isn't just one company. It's a name used by several distinct entities, each with its own specific support channels. This is where the confusion often lies. Are you looking for support for Neon Fundraise, a platform for peer-to-peer fundraising? Or perhaps Neon, the Swiss digital banking app? Maybe it's Neon TV, the streaming service, or even Neon Cowboys, a fashion brand. Each of these has a different approach to customer service, and therefore, different contact methods. Let's break it down. If you're using Neon Fundraise, formerly Rallybound, a popular fundraising platform, you do have a phone option. You can reach their support team by calling 888-860-6366, extension 3 for support, then extension 4 for Neon Fundraise. They also offer support via email at fundraisesupport@neon1.com and through submitting a ticket on their website. This is particularly helpful for urgent issues related to campaigns or technical glitches that are impacting your fundraising efforts. Now, if you're a user of the Neon digital banking app in Switzerland, their primary support channels are typically through their in-app chat, email at service@neon-free.ch, or their website. While they emphasize digital communication, for urgent matters like blocking a lost or stolen card, they provide a dedicated phone number, +41 43 508 0319. This is crucial for immediate security concerns. For those trying to reach Neon TV, the streaming service, their help is predominantly online. They have an extensive help center with FAQs and articles covering everything from account management to technical troubleshooting. While a direct phone line for general inquiries isn't prominently advertised, their online resources are quite comprehensive for common issues. And then there are other Neons out there. For instance, Neon Cowboys, a fashion brand, lists their contact email as info@neoncowboys.com and a phone number for calls between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, +1 888-996 4812. It just goes to show how important it is to identify which Neon you're dealing with. The key takeaway here is to first identify which Neon service you're trying to contact. Once you've pinpointed that, you can then navigate to their specific support page or check their contact information. While a phone number isn't always the primary method, many still offer it, especially for critical issues. Don't give up if the first search doesn't yield a direct line. Dig a little deeper, and you might just find that voice you're looking for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.